Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you on how to fix your bicycle computer mount if ever you dropped it and the actual plastic got broken. I actually use a 1mm drill bit in order for me to drill 4 holes at the back of the GPS. Now you need to be very careful because the battery is still attached very close to it. There's actually two options, drill bit, or you heat up the Phillips screwdriver that came with the kit. I actually chose drill bit. You'll see here that I'm actually carefully drilling holes at the back. The kit actually comes with 5 holes. I'm not going to be using the 5th one because right in the middle is the speaker where you hear the beep. So I'm not going to be drilling those. As you can see, I only drilled on the 4 on the sides so that the speaker wouldn't get damaged at all. Again, you need to be very careful because the battery is right behind that plastic. Now if you're going to be using a drill bit or a drill, my suggestion is for you to remove the back first, just like what I did, and then drill the holes at the back. There's also an option for you to glue the back. However, you still need to put in the 4 screws that I was recommending. And once you're done, just tighten the black screws that's from the GPS and you're good to go.